What if I told you that one of the most beloved names in dual sport history is back, reborn, refreshed, and ready to carry riders into a new era of adventure? Yes, the Yamaha XT600, the motorcycle that defined rugged versatility for decades, has made its return in 2026. But this isn't just a simple revival or a lazy nostalgia play. Yamaha has crafted something that honors the spirit of the original while building a machine that feels truly built for today's roads, trails, and the riders who demand both. The XT600 has always carried a reputation. Back in the day, it was the bike you bought if you wanted to do everything. Long-distance travel? Check. Daily commuting? Easy. Weekend off-road exploration? Of course. The XT was tough, reliable, and approachable. A motorcycle that didn't need to shout to prove its worth. It earned respect quietly, mile after mile. And now, almost 2 decades since its last major update, the XT name returns to a motorcycle landscape filled with heavyweight adventure machines and lightweight enduros. The question is, where does the 2026 XT600 fit in? The answer, I think, is everywhere. Let's begin with the design. One glance at the new XT tells you Yamaha hasn't forgotten its roots. It stands tall, lean, and purposeful, with bodywork that feels functional rather than ornamental. A sharp LED headlight sits within a protective cage, reminiscent of rally machines. The tank is slim but sculpted, giving the bike a narrow waist for off-road control while still carrying enough fuel for serious journeys. There's a minimalism here. No unnecessary panels, no bloated plastics, just a motorcycle that looks like it's ready for work, play, and everything in between. Beneath that rugged exterior lies the heart of the machine, a brand new liquid-cooled 600cc single-cylinder engine. Yamaha has kept the classic thumper layout alive because, let's face it, that single-cylinder character is what made the XT such a legend. But this isn't the old air-cooled lump riders remember. This new engine is smooth, efficient, and Euro 6 compliant. Thanks to modern fuel injection and ride-by-wire technology, it produces just shy of 50 horsepower and about 55 Newton-meters of torque. On paper, those numbers may seem modest compared to today's high-performance machines, but anyone who has ever ridden a dual sport knows the truth. It's not about peak power, it's about how it's delivered. And this engine delivers beautifully. From the first twist of the throttle, the torque is immediate, pulling strong at low revs, perfect for technical climbs or city traffic. Yet it remains calm and steady when cruising at 100 kilometers per hour on the highway. Weight has always been crucial in dual sport design, and Yamaha clearly understood that. The new XT tips the scales at around 165 kilograms dry, a sweet spot that makes it manageable off-road, while still stable at higher speeds. The frame is a mix of steel and aluminum, offering strength where it matters and saving weight where it can. Pair that with long travel suspension, 250 millimeters at the front and 240 at the rear, and you've got a machine that can soak up rocks, ruts, and potholes with ease. Off-road riders will also appreciate the classic wheel combination, a 21-inch front for stability and control, and an 18-inch rear for traction and durability. Now, let's talk about technology. Yamaha wisely kept the XT simple, but not bare. There's a modern LCD TFT hybrid dash that displays all the essentials clearly: speed, gear indicator, fuel range, trip meters, without overwhelming the rider. Bluetooth connectivity is included, so you can pair your phone for navigation and notifications if you choose. As for rider aids, you get 3 modes: street, dirt, and custom. Street softens the throttle response for smooth pavement riding. Dirt sharpens things up, allows more rear-wheel slip, and relaxes the traction control. And custom? That's for riders who want to set things exactly to their liking. ABS is standard, but the rear can be switched off at the touch of a button, because no serious dual sport should lock you into electronics you don't want. Comfort has taken a big step forward compared to older XTs. The seat is wider and better padded, designed to keep riders comfortable on multi-hour journeys. Seat height is adjustable between 850 and 870 millimeters, giving a range that suits taller adventurers while still being within reach for average riders. The handlebars are wide and upright, encouraging a commanding riding position, while the ESO foot peg placement feels equally at home for seated highway cruising or standing off-road maneuvers. Even the windscreen, though compact, is thoughtfully designed to deflect wind without adding bulk. Fuel range is another area Yamaha nailed. With efficiency hovering around 28 kilometers per liter and a 15-liter tank, the XT can easily cover over 400 kilometers before refueling. That's freedom, the kind of freedom that makes adventure riding addictive. Whether you're crossing remote trails, exploring mountain passes, or just stretching your commute into a detour, the XT has the range to take you there. And here's where the surprise comes in. Yamaha isn't just releasing one version of the XT600 in 2026, they're offering a rally edition. This variant comes factory-equipped with a taller 20-liter tank, upgraded suspension with more travel, reinforced skid plates, and even a rally-style navigation tower. In other words, Yamaha is giving riders the option of buying a rally-ready machine straight from the showroom floor. No need to spend thousands on aftermarket mods. Just pick the Rally Edition and go chase your Dakar dreams. This dual approach, standard XT for everyday riders, Rally Edition for hardcore adventurers, shows that Yamaha has truly thought about who this bike is for. Some will want a reliable commuter and weekend explorer. Others will crave the look and feel of a rally machine, without the hassle of endless customization. By offering both, Yamaha ensures the XT600 has a wide audience, from new riders taking their first steps into dual sport territory to veterans who know exactly what this nameplate means. So, who is the new XT600 for? It's for anyone who believes motorcycles should be versatile, approachable, and fun. It's for those who want to explore dirt trails one day and ride comfortably on highways the next. It's for riders who value simplicity, but don't want to compromise on reliability or modern safety. And above all, it's for those who understand that adventure isn't about the biggest engine or the fanciest tech. It's about the freedom to ride wherever your heart takes you. The 2026 Yamaha XT600 isn't trying to be the most powerful or the most luxurious bike on the market. What it is instead is authentic, carries forward the DNA of one of Yamaha's greatest legends, adapts it for modern needs, and delivers a machine that feels purposeful, balanced, and true. So what do you think? Has Yamaha struck gold by bringing back the XT600? Or is there something more you'd want from this iconic machine? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's keep the conversation rolling. This has been your in-depth look at the 2026 Yamaha XT600, a legend reborn for the modern era. Thanks for riding along. This is Acer Rider signing off. Until next time, ride safe, chase the trails, and never stop exploring.